The Amazing Invisible Tiger. Sophia and Ashley have a new friend. His name is Baba, the monkey. Sometimes he can be very naughty, but he is really a very nice monkey. Today he meets two new friends. Sophia walks with Baba down the street towards Josh's house. Well, Sophia is walking, but Baba does not walk. He likes to run and jump and do cartwheels down the pavement. Sophia knocks on Josh's front door. No answer. I wonder if Josh is in the garden behind his house, says Sophia. Baba is still doing cartwheels on the pavement. Come on, Baba, says Sophia. She and Baba walk around to the garden behind Josh's house. No Josh. But Sophie hears Josh's voice. She looks up. His bedroom window is open. Josh, shouts Sophia. Josh, for once Baba stops running and jumping and doing cartwheels. He stands still and looks up at the window. The voice from Josh's bedroom stops. There he is. Josh pops his head out of his bedroom window. Hi, Sophia, says Josh. Who is your new friend? This is Baba, answers Sophia. Do you want to come out and play? I can't, says Josh. I have a problem in my bedroom. What is it? asks Sophia. She and Baba both look up at Josh. I have an invisible tiger in my room. What? say Sophia and Baba at the same time. It's true, says Josh. Come on up. The back door is open. So Sophia and Baba go through the back door of Josh's house. They go upstairs to his bedroom. Sophia knocks on Josh's bedroom door. He opens the door and says, Quick, come in fast. Sophia and Baba go into Josh's bedroom and he closes the door quickly. Sophia says, Josh, this is Baba. Baba, this is Josh. Then she asks, Why do we have to come in quickly? I don't want the tiger to escape, answers Josh. Sophia and Baba look at each other. Then they start to laugh. Josh, says Sophia, are you sure you're okay? There's no tiger in here. Suddenly they hear a roar. I am Lexa, the tiger, says a voice. Sophia and Baba are scared. They jump back. Their mouths and their eyes are wide open. See, says Josh, there's a tiger in my bedroom. And not just any tiger, says Lexa. I'm a special tiger. Why are you special? asks Baba. And how do we know you are a tiger? says Sophia. We can't even see you. Don't make her angry, says Josh. She's already in a bad mood. Lexa roars again. Josh and Sophia and Baba all take a step backwards. They are scared. So, you want to see me? asks Lexa. What's this? And suddenly there she is, standing in Josh's bedroom, a very pretty tiger with beautiful stripes. Sophia and Baba and Josh all say, Wow, Lexa is pretty, but she's not happy. Why are you in a bad mood? asks Sophia. Because my paw hurts, answers Lexa. Let me see, says Sophia. Lexa puts out her paw and Sophia holds it. Sophia looks very closely at Lexa's paw. I think I see the problem, says Sophia. It's a thorn. A thorn? asks Lexa. I can help you, says Sophia. She has small fingers, so she can easily pull out the thorn. Is that better now? asks Sophia. Yes, answers Lexa. Thank you so much. So, now there's a new friend on the street. Sophia and Josh are so excited. They want to show their new friend Lexa to their other friend Tom. They hope Lexa does not become invisible again.